Here is a guide to help you order the correct size halogen bulb. Always have a box or bulb with you so you can search the model number on our website. A common code for a par30 regular size halogen flood bulb is 50 par30/cap, either FL, NFL, or SP. The 50 par30/cap signifies that this is a 50-watt par30 halogen bulb. The FL, NFL, or SP, occasionally followed by a number, identifies the beam spread of the emitted light, either flood or spot, and to what degree. The most important thing to measure when ordering a halogen bulb is the length and width of the bulb itself. Par30 regular neck halogen bulbs will always measure 3.75 inches wide across the top and 3.6 inches long.